Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet this beautiful bag. Here is the list what we need. Yarn, 40 for hose bottom, 4mm hook and 5mm hook, 2 pieces wood handles and mark clips. 4mm hook for the first round, 5mm hook for other parts. We will use such kind of cloth yarn. We will use such kind of bottom with 40 for holes and for legs. We mark one of the holes with clip. Skip 21 holes, mark another hole. Insert hook into one hole, it will be the first stitch. Pull yarn through the hole. Next pull yarn through the first loop. Insert hook into the first hole, again. Pull yarn. Pull yarn through 2 loops. This is the first stitch. Next make short crochet. Next short crochet. Now the first mark, to short crochet into this hole. From next hole to the hole before next mark clipped hole, all short crochet one by one. One short crochet into one hole. Now the second clip, into this hole to short crochet. From next hole to the end, all short crochet one by one. Now the last stitch. Mark on the last stitch. Pull the yarn a little longer. Now change to the 5mm hook. That's the first round. 46 stitches in total. Then slip into the first stitch. Now the second round, make a chain at first. Into the first stitch, make 1 short crochet. Make on the first stitch. From the second stitch, make short crochet 1 by 1. All short crochet. Now the last short crochet. There are 46 short crochet in total. If you are a beginner, remember to mark on the last stitch, to be sure everything is right. Then slip into the first stitch. If yarn is twisted, please do as the video showing. Okay, let's go on now. Now the third round. At the beginning, chain 1. One short crochet into the first stitch. Next, 1 short crochet. The third round is same with the second round. 46 short crochet 1 by 1. Now the last stitch. Be sure to mark on the last stitch. Slip into the first stitch. Three rounds here. Chain 1 at the beginning of the fourth round. Short crochet into the first stitch. Mark on the first stitch. Next, short crochet. Insert into the bottom of the first stitch. Pull yarn. Insert into the second bottom of the second stitch. Pull yarn. Now 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops together. That's the first group. We will make 23 such groups. Next one short crochet. Next one short crochet again. That's the second group. That's the third group. In such rule, we repeat to the end. Now the last group. Mark on the last stitch and slip into the first stitch. There are 23 groups in total, 3 stitches per group. Unfinished, please go to next video.